What's the meaning of class action? Class action. Class action.
Class action. Class action. A class action is a type of lawsuit where a large group of people collectively sues a defendant, typically a corporation or organization, for similar harm or wrongdoing. The people in the group, or class, all have some common claim against the defendant. By joining together, they can increase their bargaining power and simplify the legal process. If the lawsuit is successful, the damages or settlement are usually divided among the members of the class. Class actions have become an important way for individuals to seek justice and hold powerful entities accountable for their actions.